how to remove your Gmail account from another phone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can remove your Gmail account from another phone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically remove your Gmail account from another phone, which in this case is just your Google account itself, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Gmail application here. And once you launch the Gmail app, you're gonna see this type of interface where you want to tap the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. And once you tap the profile icon from the top right hand side, what you want to do from here is just go to manage your Google account. And once you go to manage your Google account, over here one of the other options you'll find is called security. So you can just go to security here, and once you go to security, you want to simply scroll and then look for the option called devices. Here you can see your devices and you'll find manage all devices. Just select the manage all devices option here, and then from here you should be able to select a certain device you don't recognize, and then just tap the sign out option to sign out your account from those devices. This way you can remove your Gmail account from other devices. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.